Hello students, I welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is transformation of sentences. It is possible to change a sentence from one type to another without a change in its meaning. When we change a sentence from one type to another without changing the meaning of the original sentence, we call the conversion of transformation of a sentence. Transformation of assertive, exclamatory, interrogative and imperative sentences. तो एक sentence का पूरा essence जब आप change करके किसी और form में convert कर देते हो, simply this means the transmission or the transformation of a sentence. Changing assertive sentences to exclamatory sentences. Read the sentences to understand how are we changing the assertive sentences to exclamatory sentences. Sami plays the guitar skillfully. Assertive. How skillfully Sami plays the guitar. Exclamatory. While changing an assertive sentence to an exclamatory sentence, the word order is changed and one or more words are added to bring out the feeling expressed in the exclamatory sentence. Also punctuation marks accordingly. तो simply है आप word order को change कर देते हो और end में एक exclamation mark लगा दोगे तो assertive को आप exclamatory में change कर देते हैं. Now read the sentences. How expressively Namita spoke at the debate. Exclamatory. Namita spoke very assertively or expressively in the debate. Assertive. You will notice that while changing an exclamatory sentences to an assertive sentence, the word order is changed and one or more words are added to bring out the feeling expressed in the exclamatory sentence. Now changing interrogative sentence to assertive sentences. Read the sentences. What do you gain by wasting time? Interrogative. You do not gain anything by wasting time. Assertive. Vineet works on off days. Assertive. Doesn't Veek work on off days? Interrogative. When we change an interrogative sentence into an assertive sentence or vice versa, the word order is changed. Also, when an interrogative sentence is positive, the assertive sentence is often negative and vice versa. तो assertive sentences में कोई आपके WH family के word पहले नहीं आते हैं. Interrogation में end में question mark और starting में एक WH family का question word आ जाता है. Now transformation of simple, compound and complex sentences. Read these sets of sentences and understand how we change simple sentences to compound and complex compound to simple and complex sentence to compound and simple sentences. The zoo takes good care of its valuable animals. Simple. The zoo has valuable animals and it takes good care of them. Compound. The zoo takes good care of the valuable animals which it has. Again, complex. Or the zoo takes good care of its animals which are valuable. Complex. The sun set and the children went down. Compound. The sun having set, the children went home. Simple. When the sun set, the children went home. Complex. Rinky is watching the birds so that she can observe their behavior. Complex. Rinky is watching the birds to observe their behavior. Simple. Rinky is watching the birds for she wants to observe their behavior. तो एक ही sentence है, मतलब सबका same ही है. सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन चेंज हो गया, वर्ड्स ऐड कर दिए तो कंपाउंड, कॉम्प्लेक्स या फिर सिंपल सेंटेंसेस हो जाते हैं. ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग द सिंपल सेंटेंसेस इनटू कंपाउंड एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स वंस. Simple, then complex, and the last ones are compound sentences. A simple sentence has only one or independent clause. A complex sentence has a main clause and one or more subordinate or dependent clauses. And a compound sentence has two or more main clauses. We studied to be successful. We study so that we are successful. We study hard and we will be successful. Despite being clever, he failed. Although he is clever, he failed. He is clever, but he failed. Being sick, he could not go to school. Since he was sick, he could not go to school, and he was sick, so he could not go to school. He is too intelligent to fail. He is so intelligent that he cannot fail. He is very intelligent and cannot fail. Without hard work, there is no success. If there is no hard work, there is no success. Work hard or there is no success. The mob dispersed at the onset of rain. The mob dispersed when it started raining. It started raining and the mob dispersed. तो simple sentences को कैसे complex में और कैसे फिर compound में convert किया जाता है. Now transforming compound sentences into simple and complex ones. Read these sentences. Kiran is intelligent but she is lazy. Compound. In spite of being intelligent, Kiran is lazy. Simple. Although Kiran is intelligent, she is lazy. Complex. A compound sentence is changed to a simple sentence by changing one of the main clauses to a word or phrase, and a compound sentence is changed to a complex by changing one of the main clauses to a subordinate clause. तो कॉम्प्लेक्स को सिंपल में कन्वर्ट करना है, बड़े सेंटेंस को आप एक वर्ड या फ्रेज में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे, और आपको अगर कंपाउंड में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आप एंड के एक वर्ड को या फ्रेज को एक कॉम्प्लेक्स स्टेटमेंट या सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे. Now transforming complex sentences into simple and compound ones. Read these sentences. If they do not cut down their expenditure, they will be in trouble. Complex. Failing to cut down their expenditure, they will be in trouble. Simple. They must cut down their expenditure or they will be in trouble. Compound. The complex sentence is transformed into a simple sentence by changing the subordinate clause. If they do not cut down on their expenditure to the phrase failing to cut down their expenditure. The complex sentence is transformed into a compound sentence by changing the subordinate clause. If they do not cut down their expenditure to the main clause, they must cut down their expenditure, and joining the two main clauses by coordinating conjunction or. Now let's check yourself. Change these simple sentences to compound sentences. One has been done for you. In spite of the problems Kamya faces, so she's always cheerful. Simple sentence था. इसका कैसे आपने complex में convert किया? Kamya faces many problems, but she is always cheerful. B. Change these complex sentences to simple sentences. One has been done for you. The pill is so bitter that the child cannot take it. The pill is too bitter for the child to take. C. Change these simple sentences to complex sentences. One has been done for you. The thief was forced to return to stolen money. The thief was forced to return the stolen money that was stolen. Simple को complex में आपने convert कर दिया. Now fun zone, read each of the following sentences and identify the sentences type. Tick the correct answer. My teacher is nice. So this is a declarative sentence. So students, with this we come to the end of this chapter also. Just go through this chapter thoroughly and rest of the exercise questions, please do it.
But they count to 6.